how to buy crypto on Binance with a card, you can also use Apple and Google Pay via this method as well. So in the application, top right hand corner, add funds, we're going to click that. If you don't have Binance yet, I'll leave a link below to a deposit and trading bonus, and some of the other exchanges I use give those as well, so I'll leave the links below to those. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a fiat currency icon. So I'm going to click that and then choose the fiat currency that you want to spend right here. So that's either the fiat currency of your country, or maybe you can use a different fiat currency if it's accepted. It's going to change depending on the country that you live in, but choose the fiat currency that you want to spend right here and that your card can actually spend. And then from here, we're going to press buy with, and then I've got AED, but you choose the fiat currency that you want to spend. Now from here, what we're doing, just like any other card purchase, spending some money from our card and buying something. What do you want to buy? Well, that's up to you. So down here, buy USDT. I'm going to click this. You can buy USDT if you want, but it's a stable coin. So you'll be switching your fiat currency into a dollar stable coin, which is fine. But if you want to buy a crypto, then you would have to take that stable coin and then trade it on Binance for a crypto that you want. So you may as well, if you just want to buy a crypto, go ahead and buy it directly via this method. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, then just go ahead directly and buy Bitcoin. Now from here, it says pay with. You can see that here. So you can either pay with your card, and you'll put the details in, which I'll show you. Or if you have Apple and Google Pay set up on your phone, literally just click that and it's going to take the card payment all the same. And then you just go through with your biometrics and that's it. Obviously that's very easy. So I'll show you the card option right here though. So I'm going to confirm and I'm going to put an amount in that I want to spend. So I'm going to buy 200 dirhams worth of BTC. Right now we have an exchange rate. To the right hand corner or the right hand side, I'm going to click this drop down and it gives me the exchange rate and the fee. So I'm paying a fee. So I know that I'm paying a fee, but I'm also paying an exchange rate as well. So just to be really clear about this, buying crypto with a card is the most expensive way to buy it. You're going to be paying the most in fees, not just on Binance, but on any exchange. Card payments are the most expensive. Now, if we look at the exchange rate that Binance is giving us, so I just put in to buy 1 BTC right here, and so I can see the exchange rate per BTC. It's telling me that I need around $63,607 to buy 1 BTC. Now, I'm just doing this for the exchange rate. If we go over to the Binance spot market, which is the real market for BTC, you can see that 1 Bitcoin is actually trading at 60,800. So if we buy directly on the spot market with the lowest trading fees, right, we're paying about 0.1% trading fee on the spot market. That's 60,800. But buy with card is charging us way more, 63,600. I worked it out to be around about 4 or 5% that we're paying in fees to use a card. That's not just Binance, that's just what cards are across the whole of crypto. It's very expensive. So if you're happy to pay that fee, and because it is easy, then go ahead with the transaction. If you don't want to pay the high fees, then I would suggest making a bank transfer into Binance if you can, and then trading on the spot market. I've got videos that go through that down in the description, a full beginner's guide for Binance, how to get money in and out and trade for the lowest fees. So if you want to know how to do that, link down below for that video. But from here, if you do want to pay, then obviously you need to add a card. So I'm going to add a new card and then I'm going to put in my details. If you want to go ahead and buy crypto with a card on Binance, you do need to make sure that your identity verification is already completed. Again, I've got a video on that which goes through that, but on the app, it will tell you to do this if you haven't done it already. So that is essentially just giving Binance your ID card or passport copy and then taking a selfie so that you can prove it's you. Also, if you want to use a card, you can't change your names. And so the ID name and the card name have to be the same. So it has to be you, right? So if your name on your ID and on your card is different, Binance aren't going to let you go through with a card transaction. So the first and last name are auto-filled. Put the card number in and then your billing address as well, and then go through to the next step. I confirm my card details, so now I'm into the next step, and then you can actually look at the exchange rate and make sure everything's okay and then confirm. So it's giving me the exchange rate, the amount of my fiat currency that I'm spending, and you can see the fee here is 4 AED. But like I said, there are other fees as well, right? So Binance fees 2%, but you can see the exchange rate. Actually, the fees were around about 4 or 5% all in, right? Because the exchange rate was much worse that we got, plus any extra fees as well. So just factor all of that in before you're buying. Pay with, you can see that right here, press confirm, and that will go through the card transaction. Now, if you have two-factor authentication with your card, you may need to receive a text message as well from your card processor to actually go ahead with that transaction if they need to. So when that confirms, that will just obviously take you through to that page. But that is how you buy crypto on Binance with a card, or easier on Apple and Google Pay. If you want to get the best trading experience on Binance, check out the full tutorial link down in the description, and deposit bonus links to the exchanges I use down there as well. I'm James, it's Money GG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.